Vujade cooking looks at cooking from a new perspective. Vujade cooking follows no recipes. We don't like stress at this place, so there is no stress. It's all based on intuition, and I show you how to do it. We use the foods that you like and nothing else. It works every time and is absolutely delicious because obviously it's your food. Who's this for? It's for anybody that can't cook, but that really wants to make their own food and make healthy food with it. We follow just 4 guides for success. We say number 1 is choose any jerf you like. Jerf is just eat real food. Number 2 is follow the friss. Friss is fat, raws, hard, softs and seasonings, and that's just the order in which you add your jerf. Number 3 is there's no recipes. We don't like stress around here, and I get stressed with recipes, so we don't have any. Number 4 is when you use 1 pan and 1 knife. It's minimalist cooking. It's faster, cleaner, easier. You can do everything you need with these implements and don't need any extra.